Today it's cold, but we are going to do some work on this corner of the garage. I've got so much crap just everywhere. My bench is always full, so I'm going to redo this corner and try to maximize the space. So I'm actually going to build another bench right here, just a short bench all the way up to this shelf line. I'm going to take out that small set of shelves that I built a while ago and build a small bench so I can move like my drill press, and so I can set up my belt sander over there and just have like a little work area with shelves underneath it and some shelves up high. That way I can kind of clear up this area. So this corner gets tackled today, and it's cold, but we're gonna do it. Here they are, basically cleaned off. I'm not going to pull all that crap out of there. I'm just going to start taking these apart, and my bench is going to match coming out this far, I think. I'm a little overwhelmed how much crap I got in here. I mean, look at this. Whole lot of stuff going on. So next thing I'm gonna do is start disassembling this shelving. I'm gonna reuse like this board, some of these for shelves, but I'm gonna make the height match that bench over there. So let me start taking some stuff apart. Okay, the plywood shelving's off. I figured I'd show you how it's framed in right here. It's screwed into studs in the back, and then just these two support legs. But I want to have heavier duty support legs, so that's why I got this right here, because it'll match that right there. So now I have to take some measurements, measure where this one is in height, take off this level. Might be able to leave this one, and then just check this to see how close that is. Maybe it's close enough to where I don't even have to worry about moving it, but I feel like it's going to be a little low. But now my tape measure is buried, and I have usually like 4 or 5 tape measures. So this is awesome. Literally hate having my garage like this, but I want it to be better so it's more encouraging to work at. So let me measure this one real quick. A little tricky doing this one-handed. Okay. So from the floor to the top, I'll just say 41. $38. Do I really want to? I'm not sure if I really want to worry about it being a couple inches shorter. What do you guys think? I feel like it's kind of low. Let me just pretend like I'm working here. I don't know, might work. Let me take off the top part and then think about that. Okay, I just decided to pull that shelf out because I do want to put it just a hair higher, because it's either I don't do it now and I get irritated that I didn't do it, or just do it and get it over with and just be happy, because that way it'll be familiar, like working at that height and then walking over here and working at this height. So make a match. So next thing I'm going to do is just bolt this from the wall, measure up, and then reattach this to the studs. And then start building out from there, out to here. Okay, it's all torn apart. I raised this up. You can see where it used to be, right there. Raised it up almost a whole 2x4 height. Got that raised up. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I'm going to leave it on there for now. But now the next thing I'm going to do is cut this for the two corner legs. Get them set, and then start building back off those two corner legs. Way back. Okay, rough cut my 4x4s posts in half. Set them right here, here, and here. So I'm gonna I'll build up this, make it level, and then come back and lop these off, both sides, because the garage floor slopes that way. So this one will end up being a little bit longer than this one, so I don't want to pre-cut the height right now. So now I'm going to build off my 2x4 framing on this upper part first, and I'll show you how that turns. Okay, update, I got this all framed in. Solid. And when I get the top board on here, it'll stiffen it up too. So what I got to do now is I got to lop these off, both sides, and put the top on. And then when I put the top on, I want to see how sturdy it feels. I got this for the top. Put the top on, see how it fits, and if it's any bit wobbly at all, I might put like a kicker brace like this on both sides, depending on how it feels. So, and then I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna attach this shelf to this. I'm thinking about cutting these off, running a longer piece, and just extending to this, and then leaving this shelf that depth. So, let me work on the top part, and then I'll come back. Okay, let me start off by saying I'm not a professional carpenter, never claimed to be, and I'm obviously not a professional mechanic. So this is my garage skill bench. It doesn't move at all now that the top's on there. So now I'm going to go through with fixing this. I'm probably going to cut this right here and then run one more long piece to attach to here so I can keep this bottom shelf. And then I will work on doing something right here. So cool thing is that the only new stuff I had to buy was the sheet of plywood for the top, but like I pulled out all the screws from the old shelving, like these, reused everything, was able to reuse 2x4s, and I even bought screws and stuff, but I haven't even had to break into them yet because I get literally pockets full of screws from taking this old one apart. So let me go now and fix that. It's freezing cold in here, but I'm hot and sweaty and tired. Okay, that's what I was envisioning. Oh, still got one screw to put in there. So I just wanted to show you that before I put one of these boards back on. Once again, I'll show you in a second. Okay, that's it. What do you guys think? Hack job or okay? I'm okay with it. I'm happy with it. I think the real test is going to be how well I can organize this crap in here. It's actually fit now. So I want to hang a couple shelves right here, but not like normal shelves. Let me see. So 2x4 shelves like this, so I can put spray cans on top of that. Not really looking for something to stick out here. Looking for like 2 shelves right here and right about here, running this way to hold a single can. So like that. So it'll run all the way across. So let me get Caleb out here to help me. I want to make sure these are level. So mark that, and I'll put those on there. And I'll get the cans on there, and I'll show you. And I think that'll be it for now. Okay, officially done. Here it is. I moved this drill press over here because I wanted to kind of put it where it's going to be before I put my little 2x4 shelves on. So here they are. They don't need to be super good. It's just going to hold paint cans. So this one is really solid. What I did is I added a rod here. Caleb and I made that. And that is so we can take stuff like this and hang it. And then stuff like this there. So we'll put all of those on the shelf up there like that. And if this gets questionable, I'll just add another bracket on the stud there and the stud there, which I'll probably do that anyways because I don't know, I like stuff to be secure. So this is it. It's all done. Another little workstation, which having that drill press already cleared up an area over there, but oh my gosh, look at this mess. It's like a freaking tornado went through here. So as soon as I get this table cleared off, the toolbox right here will move over there, but for now the toolbox will be blocking this. But now the fun part of just organizing all my crap. So yeah, that'll be another video where I show you kind of like the aftermath of my reorganization, because I don't like to leave my 4Runner outside. So I want to get this cleaned up soon so I can at least get my car back in here. So yeah, garage secondary workbench is done. Comment if I suck at carpentry. Just let me know. That'd be awesome. Okay, I couldn't help myself. I had to throw some stuff up there to kind of show you what I was envisioning. I actually found some stuff I didn't even know I had, so I'm glad that I'll be able to see what I have now before I go buy like 3 and 4 of the same thing. That's what I usually do, is I can't find it, so I just buy the same thing over and over. That's it. I'm not super stoked with that top shelf because it's a little wobbly, so what I'll do is I'll put another bracket there, and I think I'll put a couple on the top side to kind of suck it up on the top, because right now it's kind of leaning forward a little bit. So, but overall, I'm pretty stoked with it. So yeah, yay for garage organizing.